Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the simple steps to view your Telegram QR code. Whether you're connecting with friends or setting up a new device, this updated guide will show you exactly how to access and customize your code in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your chats, groups, and channels will be front and center, but we're focusing on the menu today. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked vertically. This is your gateway to Telegram's settings and features. Tap on those lines to open the main menu. A panel will slide out from the left, revealing options like contacts, calls, settings, and more. Now, look toward the top right corner of this menu. You'll notice a small QR code icon nestled there. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it. Tap on that icon, and your personalized Telegram QR code will appear instantly. This unique code acts as your digital identity, allowing others to add you quickly or join shared groups with a simple scan. From here, you can customize how your QR code looks. Telegram offers different background styles to match your vibe, whether you prefer something minimalist or colorful. Swipe through the options at the bottom of the screen to preview each design. Once you've settled on a style, you're ready to share. Tap the Share button to send your QR code directly through messaging apps, email, or social media. Alternatively, select Save Image to store it in your device's gallery for later use. Need to rescan? Just tap the QR icon again to refresh the code. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of viewing and personalizing your Telegram QR code. Whether you're networking professionally or connecting with friends, this feature streamlines the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you next time.